So now I will go upstairs to see the view of the point. If you can see something here. So now you can just see the view. When the ferry is not started yet, I will come upstairs again for when the ferry starts. So okay, that's nice. I did have two of that. Okay. here on the ferry. It's quite nice, the beach and everything. So how is it gonna be? See here like a marketing here. That's quite so. Yeah. Just let's go to have a taxi, then maybe have to walk a little bit and to go to the hotel. Look at how many. So now we just pay for that, for the tax island, 20 baht each person. Even foreigner also have to pay 20 baht for the island. Let's see how we're gonna do it. How deep water, so clean. Look at that island.
How do I turn off my eyes tracking? How do I turn it off? Like boobies tracking for my eyes.
I don't know what you say.
Like
just
for the camera follows you, yeah. Then you turn it.
Let's go.
That's where we can get food.
I think we're gonna not find a hotel, the room here. It's fucking hot here. I'm sweat. Nice. No air, no windy. But it's clean here. Nice. It's really clean.
בוקר טוב, ראית 1:30? השארת לישון עוד שעה. יאללה. אין לך אחריות ואתה לא רואה בן אדם אין לך שם מעורר מה. אתה לא... סתם אמור. אני חבר אותנו לא בקולוס, אני יודע איפה זה. די, אתה לא יודע כלום, די. די, תפור בדיוק כמוני. מה זה כאן? אני מוכר אותי.
Yes, little kitty kitty.
I did booking in August.
Hello kitty. I'm dying. So now got to look.
Does it taste good?
So fine. Now I'm arrived here at Got PP Iceland already now. I don't know what time is it now. Now it's about 3:15. So hot. And also the nice people here and a lot of people around the island with PP here. Could be the first time in my life here. Maybe the last time in the PP Island. So I will go eat now and I will take some photo and show you the view of how nice the island here. I'm not sure I go somewhere. Then we see the view and some picture here around where I going. Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's fully booked, huh? Kind of restaurants.
Wow, gotta be busy day. Quite busy. My god.
So many people.
Can't believe that. Look at the view. It's amazing upstairs here. Wow, God. So now I'm at the beach here, where you know it's a tsunami before here, and how it's beautiful water. Look at the mountain there. Wow. So now I'm at the beach. Do you see the water really clear, right? We walk down there. I need emotion from you. Oops.
In the evening.
I fly evening. Hi everyone. Today it's the island here, and I thought you can see a nice view here too at the Phi Phi Island. So that's what you say. It's so nice. Had to be here there too. And this is the last day for me. I didn't go to somewhere else so much. But just only the beach here. And late afternoon today, I will go to the kayak. It's about 1 hour, 100 baht. It's have to go to another side there of the beach here. Then, yeah, let's see that how it's going to the kayak there. We'll see around here. So, yep. So, so, bikini time. I hope you enjoy that.
Go to the other beach now. Back it up.
What? So now I just walk another side here, and I just see out the club here is on the beach. It looked like on the Gulf something like that. It's cool live music here too. That's cool. That's cool. Ooh, dinner. Coffee here at the shop at what is it? Delhi Cafe. Nice. Now I got some pizza.
I wanna find watermelon shake. I wanna try it.
It's we see. I think I will pack. I can't eat.
They don't have any shakes at all?
No. Only soft drink and pizza.
Two chicken.
So now I think we just go to the same beach again, because if we go somewhere else we have to rent boat. It's quite expensive. It's high season now. Just walk here and see what is that. Oh, you can have some clothes here too. Look, nice. It's beautiful. Oh, nice bikini. Look so cute. It not fit on me. because I cannot hold my ling-a-ling. So look how many you can shop here. So many for shopping. Shopping clothes. Cool. So now we are another side of the fair. Cool. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Yes, it's beautiful. Woohoo!
I don't know, the moment check the deal.
So clear. Wow. Look at this.
Just keep filming.
Huh?
Keep filming.
Okay. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at the stone.
Oh my God! Look at this. It's a lot harder now.
Huh?
It's a lot harder to swim now.
You can swim now.
It's a lot harder to swim. This, yes.
I have a bodyguard. Oh my God! Look in the front. I will cram to the front. So many people. Look. Wow.
Hi. my wife.
Yes, you come with the beautiful ever in the world.
Sorry?
You come with me here, a beautiful ever in the world.
Maybe no.
Oh my God. This is amazing. Oh my God. What?
Put everything in the bag. But I mean, we still have to wait until the sun goes down.
Yeah, it's still there.
So gonna be another half an hour. Worse later on.
Could be
I wonder
the-
how is my back. Outside.
Yeah.
I need mirror. It looks like elephant, like, kind of. Look, this is elephant. This is elephant.
beautiful. How clean the water, look at this. See with the camera too. La la la. Ooh, Papa. Look, Peach. Wow. Say something. Say something. Hello, guys.
Did you get there by boat? Yes.
No, I just you walk there here, right? By walk. Oh, really? That's cool. I just saw that. What the fuck there? I think, who is there? Ghost or something? No, I just saw there's something moving. That's why I'm scared shocked. So now I'm at the ferry now, Asia Cruise. So we will see up there. What are we gonna see? Up. So this one, the third floor. So what are gonna have here? Show you. The third floor. So this is the front of the view of the, yep, quite cool here. Got so bright. So and next we will go up. Can I go?
Yes.
Thank you. So we got a first floor. Yeah, I know. Oh my God, it's hot. So the first floor here is still empty here, and it's a nice view, but it's hot. So, oh my God. So let's see upstairs. That's cool, right? Wow! That's amazing. So yes guys, today is the last day of my trip to in PP Island. I'm happy that it's so beautiful Iceland, and we see a new thing here, and I do the photo shoot for company working, and I love it so much. But now it's no cloudy, but no windy. It's really, really hot now. I got the color already. You can see that, right? It's so hot, and yeah, because we do also here photo shoot here on this top. It's my clothes here too. So thank you guys. See you next trip, and happy day and happy Chinese time in Thailand. Love you guys. สวัสดีค่ะ
Put the sticker on your lips. Better. Right there. Today's the best day for the beach.